There it is. All right. Like, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going for a chill ride. I've done a couple of updates on the bike, nothing major. I just got new tires, so I'm running the Michelin Power 6s now. I always been running Power 5s on all my other bikes when they were out. I just find them the profile really nice. And then just this morning I've noticed when doing wheelies, obviously on a closed circuit, that my front tire, it doesn't spin freely enough. So, you know, when I come back down, the tire's like basically stopped. Anyway, I took the brake calipers off and I cleaned the pistons just to see if I could like free them up a little bit. There was a little bit of very light corrosion that just came off. So yeah, running the Power 6s, I cleaned the calipers, and I got sick of the chain rattle, which these MT09s are really known for. So I got this manual cam chain tensioner and I installed that myself, and the bike is silent now. It's so much better. So I'm really stoked with that. I'll put a link in the description to the one I purchased. It is different from 2021. This generation onwards, it's slightly different, and I found that's not super clear in a lot of the shops. So I'll just put a link to the one I used, and real easy to install. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to go for a ride and have a little bit of a chat about what's coming up. Engine's super quiet now. Let me get my phone, put it back on there. This is the first time I've run Power 6s. They're pretty much the same as the Power 5s. They feel pretty much the same as far as I can remember, but I'm not going from the 5 to the 6. This had S23s on them. I can't judge completely because I didn't have those tires from new. They were kind of, like, I bought this bike second hand and already had a few thousand miles on it. The Power 6s are so good. I'm not, you know, if you're not real familiar with different tire types, the Power 6s have a real smooth curve to them, whereas some tires like the APRILIAs, they have a kind of sharper profile where the tires will kind of come up, and then, you know, obviously I'm exaggerating, but they have more of a point, so that can feel like, you know, you're stable, and then the bike will just like tip way quicker into a corner, but it can feel a little bit unsettling for some people. It's not good or bad, it's just a personal riding preference. Whereas these Powers, they have a real linear lean angle, so when you kind of lean in, it feels kind of the same kind of tipping pressure, if you want to call it that, no matter where you are on your lean angle. And they're super sticky, they heat up fast. I've always been a fan of the Michelins, but yeah. Other than that, I just wanted to go for a little ride. Got some things on this afternoon. There's Moto Social is on tonight, but I can't make it, unfortunately. In other news, I did talk to you guys about my trip a little while ago. I was planning a trip around the South Island. I was going to ride my MT09 down there and do a big trip around the South, and I wasn't sure whether I was going to be able to do it now, which I'm obviously not, or after wedding season, because I'm a wedding photographer and it's like peak season right now. I have no time to go for any kind of extended trips like that. All I can really manage at the moment is a few days during the week. A kind of twist of events, I got in touch with Triumph New Zealand, and they're pretty keen to work with me and give me a bike. I'm not going to say what it is yet, and it's not confirmed or anything. All they've said is, yes, we're keen to work with you, we just need to work out the details. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So I'm probably going to end up doing 2 trips, and I'll make them different, so I'm not just repeating them. But yeah, I'll do one trip on the MT09SP and one trip on a nice Triumph motorcycle, hopefully. And they are going to be very different trips because they're very different bikes. But yeah, little twist of events there, and that's looking like it's going to be around like April, May. I'll keep you guys updated anyway. The channel's growing pretty well at the moment. Not super fast, but I appreciate all you guys watching and subscribing and commenting on the videos. I wish I was popular enough to plan some kind of meet ride or something and just kind of catch up with everybody that's been following the channel and say highs and stuff like that. But I am not a big YouTuber, so maybe one day when we get a bit bigger, we can do something like that. There's quite a few more bikes that have come out that I want to test ride and make videos for you guys on. I'm trying to you know, come up with some new cool ideas rather than just boring first ride videos. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys a little update, and you know, really I just wanted to go for a ride, and I thought I'd video it and tell you guys a couple of things. And I've had my indicator on this whole time. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it, and I'll see you guys in the next video real soon. If you've made it this far, I appreciate it. I know you guys are actual subscribers because nobody watches these videos usually. If you want to see how I make my videos, I did make a how I, you know, the gear I use, how I edit it, how I shoot it, like a full guide, and it's been really popular and apparently really helpful. So I'll put that in the end screen if you guys want to watch that. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.